Ever thought about making a healthy chicken dish in just 15 minutes? It's simpler than you'd believe. The secret? Basic ingredients. We'll use chicken breast, a lean protein, and couple it with wholesome sides like olive oil, colorful vegetables, and seasonings such as garlic, soy sauce, and honey. These ingredients bring a sweet, savory taste, adding a healthy twist. So with these simple ingredients, we'll have a quick and healthy meal ready before you know it. All right, first things first. First, we need to get everything we need. Grab 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You'll cut these into pieces later. Get a bell pepper and some broccoli for our veggies. Both will add color and health benefits to the dish. You'll need to chop these after removing the seeds and washing them. Next, get 2 to 3 garlic cloves. Mince these to give the chicken a rich flavor. Don't forget the seasonings: salt, black pepper, olive oil, soy sauce, and honey. Now, about the chicken. Trim off any extra fat and season it. That's how we build tasty flavors. To recap, we've got our prepped chicken, chopped veggies, minced garlic, and seasonings. Now let's get cooking. So, you're going to heat up your pan and add a bit of olive oil, right? The star player is chicken. Boneless, skinless breasts are best. They're lean and cook fast. Alternatively, dark meat lovers can opt for chicken thighs. The secret to a perfect dish lies in seasoning. A dash of salt and pepper sets the stage, but don't shy away from experimenting with herbs and spices of your liking. Paprika adds a smoky touch, while dried thyme brings an earthy note. Once your pan is hot, place your seasoned chicken. You'll hear the sizzle, that's flavor awakening. Ensure each piece of chicken touches the pan. Overcrowding leads to steam instead of a nice sear. As cooking progresses, the chicken changes from pink to golden brown. A thermometer to check for the right temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Bits sticking to the pan are called fond and they're flavor bombs. Balancing is key. Overcooking leads to dry, tough chicken. Flip it occasionally for even cooking. Once done, remove the chicken and let it rest. It'll rejoin after the veggies and sauce are done. Letting it rest helps it soak up flavors. Remember, the best food is made with patience and love. Sounds good? So, you've got your pan and your minced garlic, right? The aroma of cooking garlic is simply captivating. Now saute it for about half a minute. Next, introduce some vibrant bell peppers into the pan. Slice them thinly for a quick cook time. Stir well to merge their flavors with the garlic. If needed, add a splash of water or drizzle of olive oil. Peppers soften, prepare your broccoli. We're seeking bite-sized florets for easy cooking. Mix them into the pan once the peppers soften. Remember, your veggies should remain tender yet slightly crisp. Overcooking dulls color and drains nutrients. Now behold the vibrant array of colors in your pan. Eating this colorful range isn't just enjoyable, but also loaded with nutrients. Once your veggies are ready, it's time to reintroduce our star ingredient, the chicken. And then, guess what's next? Yes, the sauce. Let's add some flavor to this meal, shall we? To complete this chicken meal, let's whip up a delicious, simple sauce. Grab a bowl, we'll blend soy sauce and honey. The sweet and savory mix enhances our chicken and vegetables. Pour a 1/4 cup of soy sauce into the bowl. Its umami taste gives depth to our sauce. Add 2 spoons of honey, reducing the saltiness of the soy and adding a sticky sweetness that makes the sauce irresistible. Stir until combined. The next step brings our sauce to the pan. Pour it directly into the pan with your chicken and vegetables. The heat thickens the sauce, coating everything as it bubbles. Stir to ensure the sauce covers all the pieces. As it caramelizes, it creates another layer of flavor. Keep stirring until fully coated. The scent is sweet and savory, indicating you've got it right. And boom, your quick chicken meal is ready. Now serve and enjoy. This meal is so tasty you'll want to prepare it repeatedly. The art of creating a hearty, nourishing meal doesn't have to consume your whole day. Picture this, a 15-minute recipe that's a breeze to make and brings a host of health benefits. Today we're featuring a simple yet nutritious chicken dish, a perfect blend of taste and health. The chicken, our star ingredient, is a protein powerhouse. It's excellent for repairing tissues and facilitating muscle growth. It's ideal for fitness enthusiasts and those watching their weight. It fills you up without adding those dreaded calories. But beauty of this dish is not only the chicken. It incorporates colorful vegetables, each with unique health benefits, creating a vibrant plate. The peppers are rich in vitamin C, strengthening your immune system. Broccoli, abundant in potassium, supports heart health and the nervous system. This dish is not just a quick meal. It's a nutritious feast packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and proteins. It's proof that healthy eating need not be complicated or time-consuming. It's proof that good food can be simple, quick, and delightful. If you're racing against time but don't compromise on health, this is your recipe. It's speedy, easy, absolutely delicious, and nourishes your body with the right nutrients. And don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating facts and quick. And we come to the end of this culinary journey. The recipe we shared today is quick, easy, and nutrient-rich, perfect for a healthy lifestyle. If intrigued, explore this world with us. Click the subscribe button to join our community. Stay updated on our latest releases by tapping the notification bell. Your likes, shares, comments, and feedback are crucial in our growth. Stay healthy, stay happy, and cook delightful meals. Until next time, happy cooking.